What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to the test drive video of this 2017 Range Rover Sport SVR. I'll go ahead and put the full tour review video that I already filmed in the description box below, so you can check that out for a more in-depth look. But I figured I would take this beautiful car on a quick test drive. This car was provided to me by Arlington Auto Group, like I said in the full tour video. So if you're interested in this car, as well as many others in their really awesome inventory, I'll go ahead and link their information in the description box as well. But like I said, 2017 Astoral Blue Range Rover Sport SVR, really high option car. Take a quick look inside. Beautiful carbon fiber inlays, the Meridian sound system, driver and front passenger bucket seats. Really love the way these cars look. Under the hood, you have the 5-liter supercharged V8, 550 horsepower, 502 foot-pounds of torque, 8-speed auto, 0 to 60 in 4.5, something like that. Gets 14 miles per gallon in the city and 19 on the highway, but it's really worth it. This car is really amazing. Sounds amazing. Go ahead and start it up real quick. So hop in the driver's seat. Fully digital instrument cluster. Put it in accessory mode to start, to open the exhaust valves, and then we'll give it a start. Amazing. Hi guys, welcome to the inside of the Range Rover Sport SVR, and I automatically love this car. This is really my type of car. I love these fast SUVs. I know a lot of people don't. They say they're kind of pointless, and you know, with the bad fuel economy and everything, and you know, it's just useless if you're just trying to carry the family around. But in my opinion, I love these things. You know, Range Rovers in general don't have the greatest reliability. I'll go ahead and start that off. I've had a couple people that I know have had Range Rover Sports, and they have been in the garage getting fixed a couple times, but these SVRs really almost make up for that. They got the 5-liter supercharged V8 that I showed you guys earlier, 550 horsepower. This competes directly with the Cayenne Turbo. What else? The Cayenne Turbo, the X5M, the GLE 63 AMG, and this is a very unique offering in my opinion. I don't see a ton of them around. I see X5Ms all the time, and you know, they're cool and everything, but you know, something about being in like a Range Rover that's meant for off-road, that's sort of been transitioned back to be a really fast, you know, track SUV, if you will. I know people don't really take these on the track, but this thing is just amazing. I love this supercharged V8. It's been in the F-Type Jag. It's been in the F-Pace SVR, and it really is at home in this car. It just makes an amazing sound, and you can quiet it down with the exhaust valves, you know, closed and everything like that. But I'm not going to do that because I just want to listen to this thing, you know, rev up. But just cruising along here, it is still a Range Rover, obviously. So, like I was saying, it's incredibly well isolated. It rides nicely. The Gearbox is amazing as well. I know I keep using the word amazing, but I really do love this car, guys. The Gearbox responds so well. It's as quick as the Gearbox in my S5. I know it's the same 8-speed auto, but I've been in a couple cars recently where this 8-speed auto is really not, you know, tuned correctly, or it doesn't have the same shift speed as, you know, you would expect it to, and hitting some downshifts. Unreal. I mean, just an absolute beast.